Because it's raining, you need to put a raincoat. Oy, nasan yung mata mo? Tararan! Let's see. Give me the other popo. Give me the popo. Yeah. Tumaba ka na yata muli. Yeah. There you go. Chararan! Ay, naku, my hair. You just... Yan. Okay. Ay, where's the ice? There you go. Ayan na. Let's go. Let's go. Akam, yan. Come, let's go. Come. Molly. Molly. Uy. It's not comfortable. Ang cute. Let's see. It's raining outside. Too much rain.